So today let's talk about South Africa's economy. South Africa's economy. Let me check the South African economy. So the overview of South Africa's economy in 2025. South Africa's economy in 2025 shows cautious optimism among structural challenges. The country, classified as an upper middle income economy, is Africa's second largest economy after Nigeria and a key player in sub-Saharan Africa with a diversified economic base including mining, manufacturing, agriculture, and services. However, persistent issues like high unemployment, inequality, and infrastructure bottlenecks hinder robust growth. So thina sinqandwa yintoni? Unemployment, inequality, infrastructure basithini sikhule as ithuna elizwe lithiwa nguMzantsi. Ey'diniwe namhlanje, but ke let's go. GDP growth performance. GDP growth performance. Real GDP growth was 0.6% in 2024, down from 1.9% in 2022, and projection from 2025 range from 0.8% to 1.8%. The first quarter of 2025 saw a muted 0.1% growth driven by agriculture, 15.8% growth, but dragged by contractions in mining, negative 7.7%, and manufacturing, nansi link. Then there are the projections. South Africa's Reserve Bank, SARB, 1.7%, revised down from 1.8%. So here, what's this name? Deloitte, 1.7%, averaging 1.8% through 2027. World Bank, 1.8%, citing energy and logistic improvements. African Development Bank, 1.6%, supported by infrastructure investments. PwC, 0.8% baseline to 1.3%. Here are the links so you can look for yourself. Posts on X suggest forecast may be cut further due to weak Q1 data with some warning of sub -1 growth. Drivers: improved energy supply, no load shedding since March 2024, logistics reforms via Operation Vulindlela, and rising household consumption supported by the two-pot pension system withdrawals bolster growth. The challenges is that weak global demand, domestic freight constraint, and declining business confidence due to proposed VAT hikes from 15% to 15.5% limit momentum. So the way you use VAT, bulala business confidence, yabo, the weak global demand.